Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss Chemistry of Class 7, Chapter 4, Atomic Structure. I am going to discuss exercise question number C and E. At first, exercise question number C, name the following compounds. Number 1, P2O5, it is phosphorus pentoxide. Number 2, PCl3, phosphorus trichloride. Number 3, CO, carbon monoxide. Number 4, SO3, sulfur trioxide. Number 5, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Number 6, SO2, sulfur dioxide. Number 7, NH3, ammonia. Number 8, H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Number 9, NO2, nitrogen dioxide. Number 10, HCl, hydrochloric acid. Number 11, CH4, methane. Number 12, CuSO4, copper sulfate. Number 13, AuCl3, gold chloride. Number 14, Zn3, PO4, whole 2, zinc phosphate. Now I am discussing exercise question number E. Answer the following questions. Number 1. What substance is made of only one kind of atom? Answer is neon. Number 2. Name two gaseous element. It is oxygen and nitrogen. Number 3. When two or more elements combine in a fixed ratio, then what is the resultant product called? Answer is the resultant product is called compound. Number 4. Name the scientist who introduced the modern system of naming elements. Scientist J.J. Berzelius. Question number 5. Name one tetraatomic molecule. Answer is ozone. Question number 6. Define atomicity. Answer is atomicity is defined as the number of atoms present in a molecule of an element. Number 7. What do you understand by chemical formula of an element? Answer is the chemical formula of an element is the formula that shows the actual number of atoms in one molecule of the element. Question number 8. What is the difference between 2O and O2? 2O means two atoms of oxygen, whereas O2 means one molecule of oxygen. Question number 9. What is a radical? A radical is a positively or negatively charged component of a compound consisting of a single atom or group of atoms. Now, question number 10. Differentiate between a cation and anion. Answer is cation number 1. When a neutral atom enters into chemical reaction, it loses its neutral nature and becomes an ion because of loss or gain of electron to become stable. If it loses electron, then it is called cation. Example is sodium loses 1 electron. Its configuration is 2,8, 1. After losing of 1 electron, it will be Na plus and electronic configuration will be 2,8. Now anion. When a neutral atom enters into chemical reaction, it loses its neutral nature and becomes an ion because of loss or gain of electron to become stable. If it gains electron, then it is called anion. Example is chlorine. Its electronic configuration 2,8, 7. When it gain 1 electron, then its configuration will be Cl minus 2,8, 8. Question number 11. State main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. Answer is main postulates of Dalton's atomic theory are: matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Atoms are indivisible. Atoms cannot be created or destroyed. Atoms of the same element are identical in mass and other properties. Atoms of different elements differ in their masses and properties. Question number 12. Explain the modern system of naming by their symbol introduced by Berzelius. Answer is J. Berzelius introduced the modern system of naming elements by their symbol. Some elements were named on the basis of their starting letter. Some elements were named on the basis of their first two letters when the first letter was already chosen. Now it is the third point of question number 12, that is some elements were named on the basis of their Latin names. Question number 13. What is variable valency? Explain giving examples. Answer is if any metallic element show more than one valency, then it is known as variable valency. For example, Fe2 plus, Fe3 plus. Next is Cu plus, Cu2 plus. Another is Hg plus, Hg2 plus. These are variable valencies of metal.